Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota RAV4 radio. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always begin by inspecting the fuse box for any blown fuses, as this is a common culprit for power issues. Next, ensure all the radio's connections are securely in place. A loose wire can easily disrupt functionality. Finally, try a simple radio reset procedure, often found in your owner's manual, or by disconnecting the battery for about 10 minutes. These initial steps can often resolve many common problems quickly. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, we'll move on to potential software glitches. Try restarting your infotainment system. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it needs. Check if there are any available firmware updates for your radio, as these can fix known bugs. A factory reset of the radio settings can also clear out corrupted data. As a last resort for software, disconnect your car battery for about 10 minutes to force a full system reset. This often clears temporary errors. Now, let's look at potential hardware problems. Carefully examine any visible wiring for cuts, pinches, or fraying. A damaged wire can prevent your radio from working. Next, check the antenna connection. Ensure it's tight and free of corrosion, which can affect signal reception. Also, look for any signs of moisture or water intrusion around the radio unit, as water damage is a common cause of failure. For internal component issues, professional diagnosis is usually the best approach. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the problem persists. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting steps and software fixes without success, it's time to consult a professional technician. Complex electrical issues or internal component damage often require specialized diagnostic tools and expertise that are best left to the experts. Remember to check if your vehicle's warranty still covers the radio, as this could save you significant repair costs. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.